In this video, we will give step-by-step instructions on how to properly install the PURELL CXT touch-free counter-mount dispenser. First, if there is a dispenser currently installed, remove the existing dispenser and clean the counter surface of any residue or debris. Then, verify that the existing counter hole is 1 inch in diameter. If there is no hole in the counter, check below the counter to ensure there is adequate clearance for the new unit. Drill a 1 inch diameter hole in the countertop. Then, clean the counter area where the new hole is located. Feed the data cable and the stem of the dispenser assembly through the hole in the countertop. Point the spout into the sink bowl. From underneath the counter, first feed the washer and then the mounting nut over the data cable and onto the threaded stem of the dispenser assembly. Tighten the nut securely. A 1 9/32" faucet install tool can also be used to ensure secure installation. Hold the data cable out of the way as you align the indent inside the top of the below deck assembly with the indent on the stem of the dispenser assembly. Then, firmly push the below deck assembly up onto the stem until the vertical slots in the stem and the below deck assembly line up. Secure the below deck assembly to the stem of the dispensing spout by pushing the retaining clip into place through the vertical slots until it goes all the way through the motor assembly. Complete the data connection. Then, attach the power connector to the battery box or AC adapter. To install the refill, attach the straw to the new refill you will be installing. Then, feed the straw on the refill bottle up through the motor assembly and bottle support and dispenser assembly, aligning the 2 indents in the bottle and the support. Slide the bottle upward until it securely snaps into place. The refill is not properly installed until you hear the snap. Allow 20 seconds before the system is ready to dispense soap. To clean the spout, cover the sensor window so that you do not accidentally dispense soap. Use only mild soap and water, and do not use abrasives, since this may damage the finish or the sensor window. To install the battery box, first, remove the cover from the battery box by loosening the 2 captive screws on the cover. Position the box on a convenient surface under the counter to allow easy access for battery changing. Attach the box to the surface using the 2 screws and anchors. Use the wall clip to secure the power cable to a wall or other under-counter surface if desired. 4 alkaline D-cell batteries are supplied in the box ready for installation. The batteries must be positioned according to the diagram shown on the inside of the cover, or the system will not work. Set the battery box into place and tighten the 2 captive screws. That ends our installation of the PURELL CXT touch-free counter-mount dispenser. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact us.